Completely protect and seal your new deck from water rot and mold with G-Tape Acrylic Flashing Tape. G-Tape is waterproof and weather resistant to give your joists, windows, and doors coverage in any climate. G-Tape withstands temperatures from -40 up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit without any cracking or strength loss. You're guaranteed high performance even in the most extreme conditions. Available in 65-foot rolls from 2, 4, 6, 9, and 12-inch widths, you can easily shield anything from stringers to double or triple beams, even EPDM roofing. G-Tape is easy to tear by hand, removing the need for scissors or knives while also being repositionable. Leaving no sticky residue behind, simply lift and smooth out any wrinkles for a seamless cover, making your long runs of flashing a breeze. Most tapes crinkle and stick together, making it impossible to straighten out and often resulting in scrapping the piece altogether. With G-Tape, that's no longer a problem. G-Tape doesn't stick to itself and easily releases contact with no adhesion loss, improving speed and productivity while also keeping costs low. Unfold it, smooth it out, and you're good to go. The speed and strength of G-Tape makes it popular with contractors and DIYers alike. We asked Tim from Decks to tell us why he uses G-Tape on his projects.
G-Tape is really useful when we need to add a little extra water protection to our framing members. When we have multi-ply beams, we'll install G-Tape across the top of them so that it'll stop water intrusion into those beams, prevent future rot. A lot of flashing tapes are butyl-based, which really only works when it's above 60, 70 degrees and the sun is out. They don't stick very well in the cold for sure. G-Tape always sticks in the cold. Really, no matter what the temperature is, G-Tape will stick to whatever we're putting it on.
Help your lumber last as long as the composite decking on top with G-Tape. While easy to adjust, G-Tape will form a permanent bond after 24 hours, ensuring a strong connection no matter the material. Manufacturer tested for a 50-year span, G-Tape maintained 100% tensile strength, even under high UV and temperature ratings. The sturdy but thin mill of G-Tape also allows for no raised edges on your joists or frames, keeping them even and plumb with the rest of your project. G-Tape is not sold in most hardware stores, but is always in stock and ready to ship out to you same day here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Travis. I'm one of the content specialists here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.